Oh, I wasn't recording, bro.
No, you playing, bro.
I swear to God. I thought she was already recording, so I just grabbed it from her.
No, I just told her a whole. I didn't tell you could.
I would drown myself right now.
Bro, I had it so.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the
I'll think about it and then maybe. I'm not gonna say the name, but when he sees this, he's gonna know who I'm talking about. Who always says, I didn't think about it. I don't wanna think about it. Don't think about it. Nike, just do it.
I'm gonna try.
Last time I did a flip.
Listen, we were piping him up. He was getting too hyped. We're just encouraging him now. He said, luckily not too many people saw it, but it's alright. It's alright.
So at least do it. You get experience. You'll get more comfortable.
Take the water. You know.
Yeah, not the fish. We weren't talking about.
It wasn't meant to be that way. You embrace the water. If you don't do it, I'm just gonna fall off.
He's diving in the middle. Beep, 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 beep.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, Chris, how you feeling?
I'm good. I'm ready.
Me too.
Over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to take you over? Do you feel your bones does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you over? Do you feel your bones does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you over? Do you feel your bones does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you?
Wow, Chris. Whew. Them ears popping, man. Them ears popping. I love. Awesome, huh? That was great.